Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel. This is Albira Anisha aka Miss Anu. So yeah, in this video I will share with you my skincare routine for acne prone skin. I personally have suffered a lot because of acne issues. So in this video I will share with you all the products that I have personally used, and I will even share with you tips and tricks to overcome your acne issues. So please watch the video till the end and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also press the bell button right next to it, so every time I post a new video you will get a notification. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the video.
1, 2, 3, funky.
These are all the products that I use for my skincare routine from day to night, and I will tell you about each of the product, why should we use them and when should we use them, and I will also tell you alternative home remedies. So let's get started. First step in a skincare routine is always cleansing your face. So I personally use this face wash from Wow Skin Science. It is the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. I love this face wash because of its silicone bristles. It is gentle on your skin and clean your face amazingly. So I love this one. Cleaning your skin is really very necessary because it removes all the dirt and the excess oil from our skin, which is really very necessary. Otherwise you may suffer from unclogged pores and acne issues and even other skin problems. So always do the face wash properly and every day. If you are suffering from severe acne, then please don't use this face wash. Go for the other one, other Wow Skin Science acne face wash. That is just amazing and you will see amazing results. But if you have a very small amount of acne like mine, I still have a little bit of acne all over my face, like mainly on my forehead and my chin, and 2-3 on my cheeks, not this one, like this cheek. So if you have acne like that, then go for this one, otherwise go for the other one. Now for the home remedy part, you can use multani mitti. Take a small amount of multani mitti and add a few drops of rose water and mix it, and after apply it over your face, and after it dries just wash off your face with normal water, and that will also work as the alternative of face wash. After cleansing your face, the second most important step is toning. I personally use this Dega Tea Tree Facial Toner. So products that having tea tree or aloe vera, aloe vera in it is good for oily skin. So you can go for this kinds of toner, and never skip the toning part because it helps you to minimize your open pores. Like we all have the issues of open pores, right? So if you want them to minimize, then please invest in a good toner. Never skip this, never ever. So invest in a good toner and you will see amazing results in just 15 days to 1 month. Now for the home remedy part, you can use ice cubes. So ice cubes also help you to minimize your pores up to an extent. So it will not work like the same like a toner, but yeah, you can see minimum results. So you can go for ice cubes. Take 1 to 2 ice cubes in a cotton cloth, okay? Then rub it over your face for good 2 to 3 minutes. Don't use it for a long duration, otherwise you may harm your skin. So please keep that in mind while doing so. So the third important step in skincare is the face serum. I personally use this face serum from Wow Skin Science. It is the anti-acne face serum. It will help you to minimize your acne, fade out your acne scars and even your skin, and give you a good texture and a radiance glow, everything. I have never used a face serum, like I never knew that face serum has this much of advantages. I have been using this from past 1.5 month and this worked like magic. My acne scars are fading away, like seriously. This part of the acne scars is just gone. Here I have a little bit of acne scars, little bit, not that much, but seriously this part is just gone, just vanish. So invest in a good face serum and you will thank me later. Seriously, you will thank me for suggesting this. So go for a good face serum and you will see amazing results on your face within 1 month. The last step in skincare is moisturizing. Always go for a good moisturizer because it is really very important for your skin. I personally use this aloe vera cream. This was given by my dermatologist because I have some skin issues. That's why I'm using this. Now I don't have that much of issue, but then also I really like the cream, so that's why I'm still using this one. Moisturizing our face is really very important. It hydrates and nourishes our skin, so we should never skip this process. Even though it's summer or we have oily skin, then also we should never ever skip this process. It is a very important step in skincare. So if you have oily skin issue, then go for a oil-free moisturizer, but never skip it. You can go for Lactic-Alamine, and you can even go for Oriflame's Love Nature Cucumber Moisturizer. So just go for a oil-free one. When we use serum and after that we use a good moisturizer, then it works like magic. It works more than ever. So always after the serum, use a good moisturizer. That will really help you to improve your skin. It will make your skin so much better, brighter, and give you a glow from within. So never skip a moisturizer. Now for the home remedy part. So you can use the aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. I know you will say that aloe vera gel is not a moisturizer. Yeah, it is not, but it works kind of same. So you can go for a aloe vera gel. It hydrates and nourishes our skin, so it is a good alternative of moisturizer. After moisturizing part, we must always apply a good sunscreen lotion. It helps to protect us from harmful UV rays. So I personally use this Oriflame Sun Zone. So always apply a good sunscreen lotion even though it's hot or even though you have oily skin. Then also please apply a good sunscreen lotion, otherwise you may harm your skin. You won't see the results in just 1 or 2 days, but slowly you will see that you are damaging your skin because you are not applying a good sunscreen lotion. Whenever you are at your home, then also after doing all the skincare, please apply a sunscreen, and whenever you are going out, it is must you should apply a good sunscreen lotion. It is really very important to hydrate our lips, right? So I personally use this lip pop from Oriflame. This is the texture, like it has a pinkish color. So it will also add a light pinkish color to your lips. If you don't like to wear lipstick every day, then you can go for this one. This will even hydrate your lips and also give you a light pinkish color. I personally have used this one for a long time, seriously, and I love this. It works so amazing, like so very freaking amazing. So if you have dry lips, just apply this overnight and you will see the magic. Like seriously, you will see the magic. I have an amazing product for the people who are suffering from dark lips. So this is the product. So this is the Da1 lip therapy, and it worked like magic. I personally suffered from dark lips 1.5 years back, yeah, because I used to apply my mom's lipstick a lot when I was in my high school. So the outcome is my lips slowly turned darker and darker. So my mom suggested me this one. It gives you a light mild color, and within a month, like less than a month, slowly my lips got fairer. So that's why I personally recommend this one if you are facing the dark lips problem. You don't have to buy anything, just go for this one, and yeah, you will thank me later, seriously. So go for this one. So now for the night care skin routine, it is actually almost the same as the day care skin routine. I have a few changes only. So first I do the cleansing, then after the toning, then instead of serum I use a facial oil. It is the Triveda Kumkumardi Beauty Facial Oil. Facial oil helps you to improve your skin texture, it fades away scars, and overall it will work for the betterment of your skin. It will try to give you a smooth, buttery soft skin. So always apply a good facial oil. But if you have lots of acne breakouts, then go for a tea tree essential oil like this one. If you have lots of acne breakouts, it will control the acne breakouts, and it will even fade away the acne scars, and it will make your skin texture good, and mainly it will focus on the acne breakouts. It will minimize the pores. If you have lots of acne issues, then invest in a good tea tree essential oil and your skin will start to improve. and you will see noticeable results. Apply the facial oil with your night cream. I use this aloe vera cream because my dermatologist suggested me this one, so I'm using this one. Earlier I used a night cream, but now I'm using this one. Maybe after finishing off all the medicines and creams, I will go for a good night cream. I previously used a night cream from Oriflame. Sorry, pardon me because I forgot the name, but I will definitely mention the link of that cream in the description box below. Do check it out. Always use a night cream. If your dermatologist hasn't suggested any particular cream, then please invest in a good cream and apply the facial oil with your night cream only. So now for the face pack part, I personally apply face pack twice a week. So I apply a DIY face pack that I prepare myself. So take a little amount of gram flour, then a pinch of turmeric, then take like normal curd as per the need, then mix all of it, then apply it over your face, then wait till it dries, then do the gentle scrubbing if you don't have severe acne issues. But if you have severe acne issues, then please don't do the scrubbing thing, otherwise it may lead to breakout. So don't do the scrubbing thing, just rinse it off with the normal water. This face pack will help you to improve your skin texture, and it will nourish your skin, it will brighten up your skin. So you can use this DIY face pack. Apply it only twice a week. So these are all the things that I do for my skincare routine. So in the beginning of the video, I have told that I will share with you some tips and tricks to improve your skin and to overcome your acne issues. So first of all, if you are dealing from severe acne, then please stop eating junk food. Say goodbye to the junk food if you want to improve your skin. If you keep eating junk foods, then you will continue to have breakouts. Just say goodbye to the junk foods for that duration if you want to improve your skin. So the second important tip is intake lots of water. It will help you to hydrate your body as well as your skin. It will help you to improve your skin texture if your body is super hydrated. At least take 3 to 4 liters of water a day. You will see noticeable results, and your acne issues will minimize up to an extent. The third tip is that follow a healthy diet and timely. If you are facing lots of acne issues, then have boiled food or salads or even foods having less oil, then slowly your skin will improve. You will see results, and your acne breakouts will also minimize. Just have the food timely and take the healthy food. The fourth important tip is, if you want to overcome your acne really quick, then do yoga regularly. Do the yoga in the morning, like between 5 to 6, and at that time you will get fresh natural air, and it will help you to improve your acne issues like really fast. If you want really fast results, then you must have to do regular yoga. The last important tip is always wash your pillows or remove your pillow covers after 2 days. It will help you to stop the breakouts. Like sometimes we face acne issues because we don't change the pillow covers for 1 week or something of that sort. So please wash or change the pillow cover after 2 days, and it will help to stop the breakouts up to an extent. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Just follow the tips and tricks nicely and do the skincare properly, and you will see noticeable results. Your severe acne will be minimizing slowly, and your acne scars will fade away. Your pigmentation will vanish. Just do the skincare properly and you will see noticeable changes. I will also mention all the products in the description box so that you can buy all the things if you want to, and you can even opt for the natural remedies that I have suggested in this video. And if you find the video helpful, then please make sure to like and share, and also subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button right next to it so that every time I post a new video you will get a notification. And also comment down below if you find this video really helpful. So that's it for today's video. Meet you again in another video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.